What's up, you guys? Francis Abogan here today, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make $10 again and again. Alright, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Francis. I make entrepreneurship videos, make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, take the bell notification icon by the side of it. That way you get notified whenever I come out with new videos. Okay, and if this method is confusing for you, maybe you don't really want to, maybe try this method out and you don't really doesn't really appeal to you, okay, you can come to my YouTube channel right here and check out some of my other videos. Okay, I have so many make money online methods you can gain value from. Okay, so be sure to check them out. And also, if you're having any struggles or if you're new and you need guidance, okay, just let me know that in the comment section, and I'm here to help you, to walk you through the process, okay, to get your business all set up online. All right, now for those of you who have been asking me questions about e-commerce training and all that, and how to make money using Shopify and getting training for selling products online or doing e-commerce in general, right? There's a free training I'm going to link in the description. Okay, it's going to be the first link in the description, where Kelvin takes you step by step on how to set up a Shopify store and make money while doing that. Okay, so you can sign up for that free training in the description below. All right, so with that being said, let's dive right into the video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys this cool method. All right, now also I'm going to be linking my resources in the description of this video. Also, if you want resources, you want to see the resources I use, okay, to set up landing pages and to do email marketing and all those cool stuff to make money online, you can do so by checking out the links in the description. All right, it's just going to be there. And with that being said, let's dive right into this method. I'm going to share with you guys how you can make $10 again and again. The cool part about this method is you just have to stick with it. Okay, that is the most important part of it. Okay, you might not be seeing the result right away. I'm not saying you're going to be seeing results right away, but once you stick to this method, just like any other make money online method, okay, you have to stick with them. Okay, and maybe consistency is key. All right, and with time, the more you keep practicing or the more you keep building your business, okay, with this particular method or with any other make money online method, the more chances you have to start seeing results. Okay, that is what you should put in mind. All right, you might not start seeing results in your first day. Some people see results with this in their first day, while others see results in like 30 days or in the future time to come, depending on how consistent or how they understand this method and how they apply it also. Okay, I have a friend who does this online and is making a killing out of it. All right, okay, so first things first, we're going to be doing for this method is to come to this website right here. You can see I've already opened up the tabs. Come to this website called Resell Rights Weekly. Okay, I'm a member of this platform. Let me log in real quick. All you have to do is just come to resell-rights-weekly.com. okay, that is the URL for this website. All right, let me know if you need the link for this. I'm going to be linking them down in the comment section. Okay, if you want the link to this, just say give me the link to this, and I'm going to be linking all what I'm going to be mentioning on this video in the comments. Okay, so we can engage one another right there in the comment section. Okay, so here's this website. It's called Resell Rights. Okay, you mostly find ebooks right here that are free, that you can sell online or you can use to give people as incentives. Okay, if you haven't watched my previous video, I made a video about the best method to make money online, which is on this YouTube channel. Okay, where I mentioned things about PLR. So here are the PLR. Here's where you can get PLR PDF, okay, to give people as incentives to buy through your affiliate links. Okay, it is that simple. Now this platform, okay, they offer they have a gold membership and a free membership. I think the gold is around $1 if I'm not mistaken, but me currently I'm using the free membership, okay, which I can see a lot of products, okay, right here, and a lot of ebooks that I don't even know what to do with. Okay, there are tons and tons of value on this platform right here. Okay, free ebooks, there are so many of them on different niches, all right, which you can use to make money from. And the cool part is you can resell this. You can sell these ebooks. Okay, you can get them for free right here and you can sell them. Okay, that's the cool part. Once you sign up for once you upgrade to their gold membership, which is just $1, you can see right here, special offer for Francis, upgrade your account to gold for only $1. Okay, once you upgrade to your account for just $1, you get all this other cool stuff right here. Okay, so let's go to the section where we're going to be using to make money online. So if I come right here and say all members, I come to free member download, okay, I'm going to be seeing ebooks or guides that have been released with their release date, or guides that have their dates right here. You can see different dates. They are full of different ebooks. Okay, you can see it is dating back to 2007, August 2007. Okay, that's like a decade plus. Okay, so if I come to this July, okay, you can click anyone right here. Okay, you're just going to be seeing contents they already have for a particular month. I think they don't have anything currently for July. Okay, because we're in July right now. Let's go back. Let's see for June. Okay, so they have content for June. You can see Fiverr Gold. You can see all these things are free downloads. Okay, just sign up with them and you can have access to download this and sell them. Okay, that's the cool part. Come with private label right. PLR means private label right. Okay, so you can put your name on them and all that. You can say this is the ebook I wrote and all that. You can make money with this. Okay, you can see Facebook retargeting secrets right here. It's an ebook. The file size is 23 megabytes. There are loads of content right here. You can see ebook for cardio exercise. If you're in the weight loss niche or in the exercise niche, all right, you can get some of these guides. Okay, I think this is a video. Okay, this is a video. All right, this is a video training for cardio exercises. All right, you can actually give this away for free. You can use it as an incentive to make people buy through your link, or you can also sell this. Okay, I think you can sell this. And this is another one. Okay, it is also a video for cards. Cart instant video suits. Alright, I think you can give this away for free and also sell them. Let's take a look at one of the sales page right here. And also they're going to be giving you a sales page, a landing page. You can just take everything on a landing page and put on your own landing page. Okay, maybe you have a ClickFunnels account that you use to build landing pages. Okay, which I'm going to link in the description. In my resources tab, you can find ClickFunnels right there. If you have your own landing page, you can come right here, copy what they have right here. Okay, set them up on your own landing page, and boom, you're good to go. Okay, they have, okay, this is like a picture. Yes, for master resale right, free. Okay, grab your copy. Now you can sell some of these ebooks for $9.95, which is $10, right? You can sell them for this amount. Okay, that is the amount they mostly put on this platform, or this is the amount they advise you to sell some of this ebook. Okay, $9.95 or maybe $19. Okay, don't exceed $20 for this. So you can actually sell this as it is right now. Okay, so you can come right here and download. I think you click here. Yeah, you click here to download. I actually don't want to download this right now, so it's downloading to my computer. Let me just close that. So you're going to be downloading some valuable content right here, then you're going to be selling them. Okay, now let's move over to where you're going to be selling some of the ebooks, because the aim of this is we're going to be selling ebooks. Okay, we're going to be selling some valuable ebooks, or you can use some of those ebooks as an incentive. So let's say we pick an ebook like this one here, Fiverr Gold, or we pick this one called Facebook Retargeting Secret, and we want to sell this. Okay, now we can come to a platform called Payhip. Okay, Payhip is a cool platform where you can sell digital downloads. Okay, things that people can download. Okay, your product that people can download, or maybe membership and all that. So you can come to Payhip and sign up with Payhip. All right. To get started, Payhip is actually free. I think they have a paid version for Payhip, but you can get started for free also. All right. So let's create an account. Let me just create an account real quick. This is one of my dummy emails. I'm just going to type in random stuff. Okay. So I'm just going to sign up. Remove this. And just say movie nights. Okay, movie nights. So whatever you put here is going to be what is going to appear on your URL. Okay, let's just get started. Boom. So now we have an account, okay, a free account. It's that simple. I think we're going to be verifying our account, right? To complete, let me see the email. Let me refresh this if there's any verification. I'm not sure there's any verification. Okay, so now we have our account set up, and once we download, what we should do is, first of all, we can come here and add a product. You can see the step-by-step you're going to be following, okay, to get everything all set up. Okay, so first thing is we'll come to the dashboard. This is the dashboard section. Second is the product. Okay, then we can see our analytics and do our marketing and all those cool stuff. Okay, this platform is very easy to set up. Okay, it's not that hard. So if I come right here, I click on add product. Okay, it's a digital product, it's a physical product, I can add that here. If I'm doing subscription, this is for a different thing altogether. Okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, what we're doing is for ebooks. Okay, we want to be selling ebooks and PDF files, right? So I can come here, then click on this section right here if I want to upload the file. So once you click here, it's going to load up your computer file. So wherever you put the file on your computer after downloading them from ReselleRight, okay, you're just going to upload them right here, put the title, then put the price right here. Okay, you're going to be putting the price right here, which is $9.97, okay, or $9.95. okay, that is making like $10 per sale. Okay, once you make a sale, you'll be making $10. So you can upload a product image right here. Once you download the file from ReselleRight, you're also going to be downloading some of the images, the ebook covers and all that. Okay, so you can upload them right here. Then you can add a description which will be provided for once you download the ebook also. Okay, you'll be provided with every marketing resources you're going to be needing, okay, to promote or to use for your landing pages and all that. So you're going to be putting that right here, okay, putting your price, and it will not be available on your store. Okay, so after uploading the product, okay, after uploading everything, put everything set up, okay, you come right here and click add product. Okay, after putting the description, uploading the image, putting the price, the product title and all that, then you come right here and click on add product. Okay, once you add the product, you can start selling the product. You have be given a link to that product. You can add multiple products depending on what you want to be doing or what you want to be selling. All right, so you can make more than $10 for doing this. All right, for getting a single sale. Right, so you can sell this. Maybe you can create an Instagram account around this niche, around the niche of the product you're promoting. If you're going to be promoting something like this one, that's the Facebook retargeting, you must be thinking of targeting business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers and all that. So you can create an Instagram account around this. Okay, so to make money with this method, you can come over to Instagram. Okay, and let's say I want to promote this product right here, the product that talks about, let's say I want to promote let's say I come over here, so to make money with this method, let's say I want to promote this particular ebook, okay, which is the Facebook retargeting secret, and I'm going to be targeting the people who I know that will have interest with this. So once I come to Instagram, okay, I can type in entrepreneurs and I'll see what other entrepreneurs are doing. So to do this the simple way or the easy way, okay, you want to sell a product that has to do with business owners, entrepreneurs and marketers. Okay, so to target them or to target those kind of people, and you can do this with any niche. Okay, you can do this with the fit loss, the weight loss, I say fit loss, the weight loss, okay, the relationship niche, with whatever niche you want. Okay, you can do the same method. Okay, you don't have to do the exact one. All right, so you can come to Instagram. Let's say this kind of post is what I'm going to be putting up. Okay, you can be putting up things like this, infographics, okay, and quotes. All right, let's see this guy's Instagram account. Okay, you can see what this guy is doing right here. He has over 24,000 followers. Okay, and he's promoting something on the link on his bio right here. Okay, so you can replace the link on the bio with your link to your product. Okay, the product you're going to be creating. Once you click this add product, okay, you're going to be having a product link which you can promote. Okay, so once you come to Instagram, you can put your product link right here. Okay, then you can make posts such as all this. Alright, you can make posts such as all this. You can see this guy is getting a lot of engagement right here. Okay, he's getting a lot of engagement, and for me, I would prefer it. Okay, he's getting a lot of engagement right here. So once he's making this post, people are coming to his content, they are liking what he's posting. You can see a lot of likes right here. People are engaging with his content, so they are most likely to check out his profile and check out the links he have, or what he have to say on his bio section right here. Okay, so if you have a link right there telling people to check out this valuable content, maybe this ebook you're promoting, okay, which is the Facebook Retargeting Secrets, alright, people are most likely going to click it and buy from you. Okay, they're going to be buying the ebook. So by so doing, you're going to be earning $10 over and over again. The more sales you make, or the more content you post, okay, the more you are most likely to make money. Okay, because they say mostly content is king. Okay, once you keep putting out content that are valuable to those who are consuming those content, okay, they are most likely to follow whatever you're telling them to do. Okay, that's how this game works. All right, so this method is pretty simple. You can also do this with Facebook groups. Okay, you can go to Facebook groups where you can find people who have interest in this particular topic, or go to Facebook pages and see people who are engaging with posts, or who are engaging with posts. Okay, you can go to the comment section right there and engage with them, share something of value with them, and also refer them to your affiliate link. I'm going to be making a video separately about this whole these things I just mentioned right now, about going to Facebook or making money through the comment section. All right, so you don't want to miss out on that content. Make sure you subscribe and you tick the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I come out with new videos. Okay, so if you're brand new, like I said, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure you watch this video I'm going to be putting up on screen right now. And also let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I'll appreciate it if I hear back from you. Let me know how I can make this better, so I can apply some of the tips you guys are giving me to make these videos better, so I can give you guys more value. Okay, so with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye bye.